Hello, my name's Jennifer Reid. I've done a few of these songs now for the Piston Pen and Press project. So Sam Fitton is the theme, so I'm going to do shuttle kissing. He had a right thing about shuttle kissing, lots of his poems mention it, and that's when the weaver sucks up the weft through, or the thread through the hole in the shuttle to get it out the other side to then weave with quickly. So this is called Shuttle Kissing. The tune is by Gary and Vera Aspey from Wigan. Matilda Curly Toppin were a weaver and a lass who did a share o' laughing and who weren't a share o' brass, who kissed a share o' shuttles too, but if they'd not but let her, who'd rather pass the time away in kissing summat better. Matilda had a tackler who'd gaten very free, wi' bonny Curly Toppin, for he kept her in his ee, and where this felly pestered her amounted to a craze, and who were gating wary of his spoony little ways, who couldna stir a peg but he were allus at her heels, he followed her in factory or going to her meals. So once as who were coming wi' a shuttle from his bench, he blurted out, Matilda, thou'rt a greatly pretty wench. I dunna want to see thee kissing shuttles all thee life, so if I were to ax thee, would ta come and be me wife? If thou'll give me the kisses, for I think there's many left, I'll make a patent thingamy for sucking up thee weft. At that Matilda cocked her ear and shook her curly head, then giving him a little smile, who wagged her head and said, I'm very much obliged for all the promises you owe, and yet I canna marry thee, for that's so very foul. I'm sick of being single and I'm sick of sucking weft, me teeth are gating rotten and I haven't money left. I thank thee for the offer which I very much decline, for I'd rather kiss a shuttle than kiss a face like thine.